Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have got my spring morning routine for you. Now I have to admit, in the mornings I have to set my snooze button several times just to get that little bit longer in bed. I'm not really much of a morning person, and the first thing I do is I reach for my slippers because getting super cozy is just the way forward. Then I like to wind down my blinds, ready to start the day. And the first thing I do is go and head on into the kitchen and get a good old cup of tea. My favourite is Earl Grey, and because I'm lactose intolerant I like to use that with coconut milk as well. And then I head back to my bed where I just like to get in and just chill out for another 15 minutes. And what I like to do is, whilst I'm having my nice old brew, I like to scroll through my phone and just check out my social media accounts. My favourite has to be my Instagram. I just absolutely love scrolling through different pictures. As you can see here, I'm a massive bunny fan and I like to play a casual game as well. At the moment I'm really enjoying this one, Garden Escapes. And then once I'm done, I just like to get up out of bed and make my bed for the day. There's nothing worse than just a messy room. I really feel like it helps just, I don't know, start you off to a better day. Now it's time for breakfast. I like to change up my breakfast routine quite often, but at the moment currently I'm having a little bit of Country Crisp and some blueberry yoghurt, and I have to say it is absolutely delicious. If I've got time in the mornings or so, I like to just scroll through YouTube and just check out different videos that have come up in my subscription box. And if I really have a lot of time, then I like to paint my nails, as there's nothing worse than having chipped nails, and I've decided to go for this beautiful baby pink colour as we are into spring. Next up, I like to run myself a bath. I've really been enjoying my baths in the mornings. I just feel like it just super relaxes me before a long day at work. And as you can see here, I like to light a candle as I just feel like it really sets the scene. And whilst my bath is running, I like to brush my old gnashes and get them nice and clean. Next up, I'm going to wash my hair and I'm going to be taking my favourite Aussie shampoo and conditioner of the moment. And I'm also going to be taking my Moroccan oil hair mask as well. This stuff is just absolutely incredible. It makes your hair so soft. Next up, I'm going to grab my dressing gown, dry off my hair, and I'm going to head on back to my bedroom where I'm going to start my hair care routine. First up, I'm going to take my Tresemme heat protectant. And then I'm going to take my Moroccan oil light and just give this a few pumps and brush this into my hair. Next up, I'm going to take my Clinique Moisture Surge Concentrate. I absolutely freaking love this stuff. It's just amazing. Then I'm going to pick my clothes out for the day. I'm just going to wear this casual stripy top and my favourite jeans of the moment. I feel like that's just the perfect spring casual day look. And I'm also going to be taking my Michael Kors watch as well. I cannot live without it. Then I'm going to start my makeup routine. I'm just going to use a little bit of foundation and concealer as this is just a really casual spring look. Then I'm going to use a little bit of highlighter. I'm really enjoying this stick from Revlon. And then I'm also going to use a little bit of my favourite bronzer from Too Faced. This stuff smells like chocolate, it's incredible. And also a little bit of blush as well. Then I like to do my eyebrows and my eyes. I like to just use a little bit of eyeliner and mascara as well, just to finish it off. And then to end the look, I'm going to use my favourite ever lipstick, Hue by MAC. It's just the best. And absolutely perfect for spring. Then, because this is a super casual look, I'm just going to, using a really low setting, just blow dry my hair. And there you go, that is my final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. I really hope you're enjoying spring, guys, and I'll see you next time with my next video. See you later. Bye.